Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the MobileWash mobile app works and whether it's worth using for on-demand car wash and detailing services. MobileWash connects users with professional auto detailers who come directly to your location, allowing you to schedule services like exterior washes, interior cleaning, waxing, clay bar treatments, and more. The app supports many states including California, Nevada, Florida, Arizona, and Texas, often offering same-day appointments. The pros of MobileWash include the convenience of scheduling at your preferred time and place, which saves you from driving to a car wash. The detailers are background checked and insured, giving users peace of mind. The app offers loyalty discounts, such as $5 off every fifth wash, and discounts for multiple vehicles. Additionally, the app is user-friendly, making it easy to book and manage appointments. However, there are some cons to consider. Pricing varies depending on vehicle type, location, and the service selected, which can be confusing or expensive for some users. Service quality can be inconsistent since detailers operate independently. Some users report excellent results while others have had disappointing experiences. Customer support has been criticized for delayed responses and difficulty resolving issues. Also, some users have experienced late arrivals or scheduling delays, which can be inconvenient. Overall, MobileWash offers a convenient and professional car cleaning service but has occasional drawbacks in pricing transparency, service consistency, and customer support. If you've used MobileWash, share your experience in the comments below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to the description for the email.